Okay, chalo. Now shall we start? You have written up to answer 4, I think. Okay. Now write down question number 5. I am dictating the question and answer. I will share the textbook and I will mark in that. Ready, all of you? Ready, all of you? Okay. Okay, chalo. Write down question number 5. What was हर्षवर्धन्स H capital and apostrophe S ऐसे आप लिखोगे. What was हर्षवर्धन्स डेली रूटीन? मतलब वो डेली अपना जो डे था वो हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया था? याद आ रहा है कुछ चैप्टर 1? इट वॉज 3 पार्ट्स. ओके, चलो पहले तो क्वेश्चन लिखो. व्हाट वॉज हर्षवर्धन डेली रूटीन? पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. Have you all written the question? Yes or no? बेटा yes तो बोलो, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? Okay. Now answer I am marking in the textbook and you will be copying. चलो आप सबको textbook दिखाई दे रही है, all of you? Okay. Now here is your answer. देखो मैं opening bracket करूंगी और closing bracket करूंगी. ठीक है? From here. He divided his daily routine into 3 parts. The first was the administrative purposes, while the other 2 parts were devoted to public welfare and religious activities. Up to religious activities. This is your answer number 5.5. मैंने देखो ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट किया है. He divided up to religious activities. ओके, जिसको पता चल गया है स्टार्ट राइटिंग. जिसको नहीं पता चला यू कैन आस्क मी if you are getting confused. Now write down question number 6. Question 6. Okay. What deeds, check the spelling I am writing over here. What deeds of public welfare of, this is question, public welfare, what deeds मतलब वर्क, क्या काम किए. What deeds of public welfare had Harshvardhan done? HAD had Harshvardhan H capital. Harshvardhan done. Put a question mark. I repeat. Which deeds of public welfare had Harshvardhan done? Question mark. Ready with the question, all of you? Ready with the question? Have you written the question, students? Okay. Now I am marking the answer. For that I will have to turn the page. This is the next page. And here I am marking the answer. We will start from here. Harsh built many rest houses, wells, tapeways, lakes, muds and vihars and also prohibited animal slaughter. Up to animal slaughter. This is your answer 5.6. Have you got it, all of you? Now comes your question number 7. Write the question. Which compositions which compositions of great poet of great poet 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 Ban Bhatt B capital of great poet Ban Bhatt are considered are considered unique यूनिक मतलब स्पेशल ओके आप चाहो तो ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हो यूनिक मीन्स स्पेशल आर कंसिडर्ड यूनिक इन संस्कृत लिटरेचर संस्कृत एस कैपिटल इन संस्कृत literature put a question mark I repeat the question which compositions of great poet Ban Bhatt are considered unique in Sanskrit literature question mark have you written the question all of you okay now I am marking this question answer in blue color so that it is properly visible we'll start from here. His famous works, Harshcharit and Kadambari, are famous even today, up to today. This is your answer 5.7. Okay? जो मैंने blue से mark किया है. Can you all see the answer? चलो, now number 8. Write down the question. Name the plays. Plays PLAYS. वो PLACE वाला मत लिखना. Name the plays written by WRI. Written by Harshvardhan. Name the plays written by Harshvardhan. Full stop. Have you written the question? Okay, now answer I am marking in blank. Start from here. King Harsh himself was a writer and wrote 3 plays Naganand, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika up to Priyadarshika. This is your answer 5.8. Got it all of you? Okay, now comes number 9. Write the question. Which university का U होगा capital? माइक बंद करो बेटा. Which university was made world famous? Was made world famous by Harshvardhan. By Harshvardhan. Put a question mark. I repeat. Which university was made famous by Harshvardhan? Question mark. Ready with the question, all of you? Ready with the question? Have you written the question? Okay. Now answer I am not marking, I am dictating. Directly write it. Nalanda University, again N capital. and university U capital. Nalanda University. Then remaining everything from the question. Then remaining everything from the question was made world famous by Harshvardhan. Okay? Was made world famous by Harshvardhan. Full stop. Complete. I repeat, Nalanda University was made world famous by Harshvardhan. All of you, did you get the answer? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, now number 10. Write the question. What what special arrangement was done was done by Harshvardhan, again H capital. Harshvardhan what special arrangement was done by Harshvardhan for the maintenance. I'm writing the spelling. For the maintenance of नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी. देखो स्पेलिंग यहाँ पर दिया है, दिख रहा है? नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी. कैन यू सी? मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है एन कैपिटल यू कैपिटल. I repeat the answer. What special arrangement was done by Harshvardhan for the maintenance of Nalanda University? Question mark. Got the answer? All of written the question, all of you. Chalo, others have written the question. Okay, now I'm marking the answer. Start from here. The university had access to the revenues of 100 villages given to them by King Harsh for its upkeep and maintenance. Up to maintenance. Okay, यहाँ तक. This makes your answer number 5.10. Any doubts, anybody? Okay, now number 11. Which different ashes. Now what do you mean by the word ashes? Ashes मतलब? Any idea? Ash किसको बोलते हैं? ASH, ash. When you burn anything. Right? When you burn anything, then after burning, it gets converted into a grey colored powder form, जिसको हम बोलते हैं राख. Okay? In English, it is known as ash or ashes. Okay? Okay? So, which different ashes? मतलब कौन से मिनरल्स की एश, कौन से मेटल्स ऐसे जिसको अगर हम जला दे तो उसकी जो राख होती है दैट कैन बी यूज फॉर मेडिसिन. राइट? ऐसे मेटल्स थे कि आप उसको जला के उसकी राख है वो मेडिसिन में यूज कर सकते हो. तो that is the question. Do you know now what is ashes, all of you? नहीं, अभी आगे है. Continue with the question. Which different ashes were recommended? Were, 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 ठीक है? Were recommended to be used, to be used, used as medicine, as medicine by Acharya Nagarjuna. A capital, N capital. By Acharya Nagarjuna. Put a question mark. I'm repeating the question again. Which different ashes were recommended? Recommend मतलब suggested. Were recommended to be used as medicine by Acharya Nagarjuna? Question mark. Any doubts in the question? Anybody? Okay. Write the answer again. I'm dictating. You write directly. Acharya Nagarjuna. A capital, N capital. Acharya Nagarjuna recommended the use of ashes of ashes like देखो अभी मैं यहाँ पर अंडरलाइन कर रही हूँ like iron, arsenic and mercury. Iron, comma, arsenic and mercury. Can you see the spellings, all of you? बोलो. Recommended the use of ashes. Ashes like iron, arsenic and mercury as medicine. And mercury as medicine. As medicine. Written, all of you? Okay. Now comes your question number 12. Write down the question. Which evil customs, which evil customs means bad practices. जो बुरी आदतें होती है ना, बुरी हैबिट्स होती है वो एविल कस्टम्स. विच एविल कस्टम्स प्रीवेल्ड मीन्स प्रेजेंट. ये हमने ऑलरेडी क्लास वर्क में लिखा है. ओके. विच एविल कस्टम्स प्रीवेल्ड among the people during the rule of Harshvardhan. During the rule of Harshvardhan. H capital, put a question mark. I repeat, which evil customs prevailed among the people during the rule of Harshvardhan? Question mark. Have you written the question, all of you? you written the question? Okay, write the answer again. I'm dictating. Evil customs like evil customs like सती एस कैपिटल. आपको पता है ना सती में क्या होता है? एविल कस्टम्स लाइक सती कॉमा चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड पॉलीगमी तुमने क्लास वर्क में मीनिंग लिखा है, ढूंढ के बताओ चलो मुझे. व्हाट इज पॉलीगमी? आई मेड यू राइट द मीनिंग. फाइंड इट आउट एंड टेल मी. Okay. Evil, evil customs like sati, comma, child marriage and polygamy prevailed among the people. Prevailed among the people during the rule of Harshvardhan. During the rule of Harshvardhan. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Okay. Now question number 13. Question 13. By which games and sports, by which games and sports, 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 did people entertain themselves